Hello, my dear students. How are you doing? I hope all of you are doing well and learning your lesson properly. This is your English second class and our half yearly syllabus has completed. So today I am starting revision work. For revision, open page number 19 in your book. This is page number 19 and we revise exercise work of lesson number 1. Match the columns to complete the sentence. One has been done for you. So the old lady's bag were heavy. Poppy was kind. The porridge was delicious. The porridge pot was little. कैसा था वो? Little. The weather on the day पॉपी मेट द ओल्ड लेडी वाज, तो उस दिन वेदर कैसा था जिस दिन पॉपी ओल्ड लेडी से मिली थी? सनी. ओके, सो लाइक दिस यू हैव टू मैच. नाउ अनदर एक्सरसाइज. चेंज द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स फ्रॉम वन टू मैनी. वन हैज बीन डन फॉर यू. सो हेयर वन, हेयर मैनी. चेरी, चेरीज. यहाँ हमने वाई को हटा के IES ऐड किया है. सभी में ऐसा ही करना है. पपी, पपीज. स्टोरी, स्टोरीज. कंट्री, कंट्रीज. सिटी, सिटीज. यहाँ वाई को रिप्लेस किया है IES से. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट पेज. दिस इज पेज नंबर 20. Write a special name for each thing on the list given below. Remember to use a capital letter. So here your first name, you have to write your name, but first letter will be capital. Your last name, the school name, the name of your school, the name of the village, town or city you live in. आप कौन सी city में या village में रहते हैं? The name of your country, India. Okay. Now, second exercise. Draw lines to pair the common names and the special names. So here, cartoon. Cartoon is the common name and the Mickey Mouse is special name. City, common name. New Delhi is special name. Textbook, common name. Mulberry, special name. Building, common name. Taj Mahal, special name. Elephant, common name. And Jumbo, special name. So like this you have to match common name to special names. Okay, now next exercise. It is page number 22 and here exercise. Circle the words we cannot count. Add an S or ES to change the words we can count from one to many. Then write them in your notebook. Some words are given here. तो हमें जो words हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं उन्हें हमें सर्किल करना है और जिन्हें हम काउंट कर सकते हैं उन्हें हमें वन से मैनी में चेंज करना है. सो फॉर वाटर वी कैन नॉट काउंट, सो सर्किल इट. ग्लास, ग्लास को काउंट कर सकते हैं, इसे मैनी में चेंज करेंगे, ग्लासेस कर देंगे. ग्लासेस ES ऐड करेंगे. केक, केक्स. डिश, डिशेस. एयर, एयर को काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं, सो सर्किल. राइस, राइस को काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं, सर्किल. टेबल, टेबल्स. शुगर काउंट नहीं कर सकते, सो सर्किल. बेंच, बेंचेज. रैबिट, रैबिट्स. फूड को काउंट नहीं कर सकते तो सर्किल करेंगे. शू, शूज. फ्लावर, फ्लावर्स. मिल्क को काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं, सो सर्किल. एंड साल्ट, वी कैन नॉट काउंट साल्ट, सो सर्किल इट. सो लाइक दिस यू हैव टू सर्किल एंड add S or ES. Okay, now next exercise. This is page number 25. The little plant. So here exercise work. Put a tick against the sentence that are true and put a cross against the that are false. जो false है उनके आगे cross करना है, जो true है उनके आगे tick करना है. So first, the seed was buried in the ground. Yes, true. So tick. There was a tiny plant in the seed. Yes, so tick it. Okay, now page number 26. Number C, the teeny plant was awake at the beginning of the poem. So no, so cross it. D, the teeny plant fell asleep at the end of the poem. No, so cross it. Okay, now next exercise. This is page number 30 and exercise of lesson number 2, the merchant's purse. So exercise first, fill in the blanks. A part, the merchant lost his purse at the market place. Second, the poor old woman found a purse. It had 100 gold coins. C, the merchant said he would give a reward to anyone who found his purse. Number 4, the old woman decided to go to the queen's palace and ask for her help. So like this you have to fill. Okay, now next exercise. This is page number 31. Match the two columns to show what people do. Column A, column B. So a doctor, doctor क्या करता है? A doctor treats us when we are unwell. Okay, a cobbler makes and mends our shoes. A baker makes bread and cake. A greengrocer sells fruits and vegetables. A dentist takes care of our teeth, and a fireman puts out fire. Okay, so like this you have to match. Now next exercise. This is page number 33. Write A और N. A और N हम कहाँ पुट करते हैं? जब कोई वर्ड वॉवेल साउंड रखता है तो हम N यूज करते हैं, और जब कोई वर्ड कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड होता है उसमें तो हम A यूज करते हैं. सो हियर A टाइगर, सो A टाइगर. कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड, सो A टाइगर. B A बुक. C N ऑस्ट्रिच. यहाँ वॉवेल साउंड है ऑस्ट्रिच, सो N ऑस्ट्रिच. D N आंट. वॉवेल साउंड, सो N आउट. Panther, so A panther, consonant sound. F N egg. Okay. Now fill in the blanks using A or N. A part, Ritu has an orange tree in her garden. Umar eats a banana every day. We saw a camel and an elephant at the fair. Number D, are you carrying an umbrella today? Okay, so like this you have to fill. Now here a paragraph. Fill A, N or the to complete the paragraph. My teacher gave me an eraser and a pencil. The pencil was blunt. My teacher gave me a sharpener. I drew a picture of a cat, a mouse. I colored the cat brown. I colored the mouse grey. I gave the picture to my grandmother. So like this you have to fill A, N or the. Okay, now next exercise. This is page number 34. Look at the pictures, fill in the blanks with the help of these pictures. This cap belongs to Meera. This is Meera's cap. Meera apostrophe S. So Meera's cap. This chair belongs to grandmother's. So this is grandmother's chair. Number C. This puppy belongs to Ben. This is Ben's puppy. Number D. These crayons belongs to my sister. These are my sister's crayons. The tail of the peacock is beautiful. The peacock's tail is beautiful. Okay, so like this you have to write. Okay, now next page. This is page number 38 and the exercise of lesson number 3, the rainbow fish. First exercise, put a tick against the sentences that are true and put a cross against those that are false. So first, the blue fish was more beautiful than the rainbow fish. No, so cross. Number B, at first, the rainbow fish was proud and selfish. Yes, so tick. Number C, the starfish told the rainbow fish to give away his scales. No, ये तो octopus ने कहा था. The octopus knew that giving makes us happy. Yes, so tick. E part, the rainbow fish was sad that he had only one shiny scale left. No, so cross. Okay, now next. This is page number 39. Match the group names in column A to the correct option in column B. A bunch of flowers, a crowd of people, a pride of lions, a flock of birds, a herd of elephants. Okay? Now opposites. Find the opposites of the following words from the text. Dull, bright, always, never. Now next page. Foolish, clever, took, gave, saddest, happiest, and go, come. Okay? So these are the opposites. Now next exercise. This is page number 45 and the exercise of poem Dogs. Find the following from the poem. A part, a word that is opposite of awake. Asleep. A word that means covered with hair, hairy. C, a word that rhymes with go, no. Okay, now here fill in the blanks. Here is another words about dogs. Fill in the blanks so that the lines rhyme in pairs. Choose from the box given below. So help box is here. It blinks its eyes and wags its tail. Fetches me my bottle, fetches me my mail. It barks at me and I feel a sharp tug. But when I bend down, it gives me a hug. Okay, now next exercise. This is page number 55 and the exercise of lesson number 4. I was walking down the road. Number 1. Here are the pictures of some of the animals that the girl caught. Match the animals to the places where the girl found it. So, first is snail, so on her shoe. Second, frog on the road. Third, mouse in a room. And the fourth, bird on a flower. So like this you have to match. Now the second one, what did the girl use to catch these animals? बटरफ्लाई, बटरफ्लाई को किससे पकड़ा उसने? फ्लाई ट्रैपर। नंबर बी, बनी ए कैरट। सी, द स्पैरो अ व्हील बैरो। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट, this is page number 56. Here are some jumbled words of things you saw and read about in the text. Read the clues and unscramble the words. A, we walk on it. So, road. White and blue. Sky. The postman puts mail in it. Letterbox. We use it to sweep a room. Broom. Okay, so jumbled words are given here for clues. Okay, now next exercise. This is page number 58. Complete the sentences using did plus not. A, play. We played yesterday. So, we did not play yesterday. जब हम did not यूज करते हैं तो प्ले मीन्स फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज करेंगे, सिंपल फॉर्म, ठीक है। द डॉग बार्क्ड, द डॉग डिड नॉट बार्क। ओके, हम एक्शन वर्ड की सिंपल फॉर्म यूज करते हैं डिड नॉट के साथ। वी वेंट टू द फेयर, वी डिड नॉट गो टू द फेयर। मिया सॉ ए क्लॉन एट द सर्कस, Mia did not see a clown at the circus. The baby ate the porridge. The baby did not eat the porridge. Okay, so like this you have to fill with did not. Okay, now revision work is finished. Learn your lessons properly and learn question answer and word meaning also. ओके, आपको अच्छे से वर्ड मीनिंग और क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी लर्न करने हैं। ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू स्टॉप दिस वीडियो। हैव ए नाइस डे, टेक केयर, बाय बाय।